Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are fine. This is your math teacher from Fazaya Inter College Minhaj Base Kamra. In our previous lecture, we learned about some rules of divisibility, which are 2 to 10 excluding 7. So, today we solve some questions with the help of these rules of divisibility. So, this is exercise number 2A, which is on page number 29. This is lesson number 13. Okay, now we are going to our lesson. So, this is the question number 4, which is on page number 29. So, the question number 4 is, which are the following numbers are divisible by 4 or not? So, we have some numbers. Let us check that numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So, this is the A part of question number 4, 1996. So, according to the rule, let us check only the last two digits of this number. So, the last two digits are 96. We divide the last two digits with 4. So, when we divide this number 96, we get 24. 96 divided by 4, you get 24. Now you can say that 1996 is divisible by 4. Let's move to our next question. This is the B part of question number 4. The number is 2000. So now solve it and check that this number is divisible by 4 or not. So check the last two digits are 0 of this number. So according to the rule, if we talk about this, so if the last two digits are 0, any number, if any numbers have two digits are 0, then you can say that this number is divisible by 4. Now you can check that the last two digits are 0. So in a tens and a ones place have 0. You simply now you can say that the 2000 is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. Okay. This is now question number 5 on page number 29, exercise number 2A. So this is question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? So let us check that this is the A part of question number 5, 8622. So now we check that according to the rule. First of all, we check that this number is an even or not. So if you can see that the last digit is 2 and 2 is a multiple of 2, now you can say that 8622 is an even number. Now the next step of this question is, let's take the sum of its digits. So when we take the sum of its digits, 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2, you get 18. After the addition, you will get 18. So 18 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, you can say that 8622 is divisible by 6. So this is the next question, 47,018. So let us check that this number is divisible by 6 or not. So according to the rule, first of all check that this number is an even or not. Yes, this is an even number because you can see that the last digit of this number is 8 and 8 is a multiple of 2. Now you can say that 47,018 is an even number. So now we let us take the sum of these digits. 4 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8, you get 20. So 20 is not a multiple of 3. So now you can say that 47,018 is not divisible by 6. Okay ji, this is the question number 6, which is on page number 29. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6? So now I have a number and we check that this number is divisible by 6 but not divisible by this number is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. Okay ji, this is the number 4707. So according to the rule, first of all we check that this number is an even or not. So the last digit of this number is 7. 7 is not a multiple of 2. Now you can say that 4707 is not an even number. So now you can say that 4707 is not divisible by 6. Now let's move to the next step of this question. We take the sum of these digits. So 4 plus 7 plus 0 plus 7, you get 18, and 18 is also a multiple of 3. Now you can say that 4707 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. I hope you get this question. So this is the next question, and this is the C part of question number 6 is 159,654. So let us check that this number is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. So first of all we check that according to the rule this number is an even or not. Yes, this is an even number. Now we move to the next step of this question. Let's take the sum of its digits. So 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4, you get 30, and 30 is also a multiple of 3. 30 is also divisible by 3. So this number 159,654 is divisible by 3 and 6 both. Okay. So this is the question number 7, exercise 2A, and on page number 29. With the help of the rule of divisibility for 8, find out which of the following are divisible by 8. Okay ji, this is the B part of question number 7, 117,000. Okay ji, let's solve this question. Okay ji, according to the rule, if any numbers have last 3 digits are zeros, then you can simply say that this number is divisible by 8. Now you can see that the last 3 digits are zeros of this number. So you can simply say that 117,000 is divisible by 8. Because you can see that there are 3 zeros in a 100, tens and ones place. So this question is very easy. You simply check that if the last 3 digits are 0, so this number is divisible by 8. Okay, this is the next question. 1,493,600. So let us check that this number is divisible by 8 or not. So according to the rule, let us check the last 3 digits. So we divide the last 3 digits with 8. Okay ji, when we divide these numbers, so we get 75. You can see that 8 sevens are 56, and when 60 minus 56 you get 4 and 0, and now you get now the quotient of this number now sorry now the remainder of this number is 40, and 8 5s are 40. So after the division, when you divide 600 divided by 8, you get 75. So you can say that this number is divisible by 8. 1,493,600 is divisible by 8. So this is the question number 8. Check with the help of the rule of divisibility which of the following numbers are divisible by 9. So the first question of the first part of question number 8 is 1,873. Okay ji, let's solve this question. According to the rule, let's take the sum of its digits. 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3, and get 19. So 19 is not divisible by 9, and 19 is also not a multiple of 9. So 1873 is not divisible by 9. Okay ji. This is the next question. D part of question number 8. 950,283. So let us solve this question. So according to the rule, we simply take the sum of these digits. Okay ji. 9 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3, you get 27, and 27 is also divisible by 9 because 9 3s are 27. So we can say that 950,283 is divisible by 9. So this is all about today's lesson. I hope you all are understand. So this is your homework. You note down it and do it on your book. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz student everyone. Allah Hafiz students and everyone. Stay safe and stay home.